fiti ni asese ni din and your friend say mechanic na prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no ba bia me hwe bia ma change afro and ma ba too much GH hwe na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe
too much asha for moson for money aba ekesikapa ena motimini na ebra edreso Ghana wahala dwumedie na mamuni mse Ghana wahala dwumedie de eba no eye ensemo ekotwi ekobreman ha ena wobenya ni dusupo enti we so eneti ensemo ababedru eye yapno eso na adwencha wo fa eho no watimi ede atu edwa na yesusu yakenkan ede amawo na enedai ye former president awanya ni baby call flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings emra wo free eya atiatefo asasi yi eso epe ena yenya ntiye anase emfonyi bi ebebeto eye abontin se owo baby mama ewo baby ai se me kan ye wo say emfonyi ne ba ye no na chese owo baby mama ewo baby ewo ne no ewo eba ye kan baby mama na chese obi ane se wawo ede amaye mpapa yi na ye nhwehwemu ekoso na chese ni dia ebebeto edwa eye Natalie yam achese wono de utimi se wonye Ghana ni utie din na wa utimi se wonye Ghana enim.
This lady speaks German, English, Spanish, French, Italian. She speaks it all. Wow. She's one of the most intelligent and one of the most brilliant, politically astute minds I have ever come across. Yeah. Sweetheart, please.
Thank you.
Ensem no ba ye no na wo mo tag no anase wo mo de ne nsusu bebra sin ni mu wish na ye condolences ye like a foot winning crash some the airman no na no mo na chese ye ma mi yi ba bonten e ma Ghana for ebebeti ase se anase wo de ebebe confirm say ampam one eye Rawlings wo mo owo ho no ma chese wo ma wo ho for ye 11 good years 11 good years and a woman atna na so Ghana ha de ni enim say yem papa Jerry John Rawlings one mame na kunadu agema Rawlings na ete hanom aje say yante won popoye empo say ye mame mu enumpo wo mo eku ana wo mo ba twede ana say mame apake ne nyoma afifie mpo say wo jai ni kunu all because of say bia o baby mama wo baby yante won popoye empo me ye papa iwu ye ena nsam no bebeto dwa na no na mame no so nam so edigina so confirm me say eyampam one yam papa yi atna honum for 11 good years na wono de edin a wota ede friendum say ni soulmate nti ebra papa yi ewu ya na say his excellency flight lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings woto anananom ewo ensiedo epei ye ni abayi na say ye mami eteki to ni page asom ekokwe hye abusuafo na na chese wo kire mu say wa hwere ni soulmate no bekoso adono no bekoso akai no ewo na koma mu enya de se ni re ebe fi no de biara eda wo bekoso ma chese wo dona na wo mo ewo no ebekoso atena wo mo enchen na abusia sa picture no ene the caption a wode to ase ene ne be hwe Ghana for ne hwehwe ni mu so mate se ye papa wo baby mama wo baby ene o mu ko twi ayese nkwada ate se ya bo closing na ne o mu dim ni katetetetetete o mu ko ye mama page so ene hwehwe ni mu ne wo mo we shi no condolences ene sorry ene aheden dem refer due kafra ene ni nyina wo mu di futu fry ede e ma ye mama na no ene jese ba ko na ade se Ghana for them so munu so ye chese yenya kase wo ye former president JJ ni baby mama ntino mo we hye no na dan ye ma me kunadu agema nkwa na yenim no wo no pe na yenim no enti wonyai si an wo de nchia na chese wo de no ho emena ewo eho no na ma mi hwe ye no se na bi o na dan na Ghana for mpesa mudi mani ye form sa emu ade motema no kasa pen emu ade papa kura po ti ase no wo be showcase me na afia wo na me ba be showcase me ho anam ene wo reply ye comment na so wo reply post no ene wo no so e de to edwa sm Ono eye mama na Kunadu Ajiman Rollins or Penasem Pa eye. Enti say ye drono anasa see ye penasema. Na ye penukuno asemo pana see ye donukuno ediam. And a mra freeway. Yen shena eye December 7th abaton. Yen to emfa ema nebusia say ena enkomachichiano ekwo ye ewo ehonum. Shopping more GH edia wode eba ya nti ma ye mami akokwa reply ye say please we love Kunedu. That's the only woman we knew. Why wait and did in love and so eba ye no bebe reply shopping more GH said yes we only love Mrs. Kunedu Rollins and Shinabina and so by no bebe reply shopping more GHBM with emoji and I was saying asemo and ho and I just say mami so eba ya no be reply shopping more BM said I love her too. I hope you will show your love by voting for her on December 7th. And to what the comments we add to a dry area Yapanagana for we were where were they? Yes, or Wakwada. Oh, so now open action one as open a quiet in Yadwebi. We have pet of Phoebe the man, oh, Jaisu, Crocodile, and one saw one night national motor not no quartil on one where my men and webbing away. Well, shut up, Baba did in him, said the bear gonna for weapons and I said, oh, my new Wakumapa, and no one called Basana gonna for corruption for Mamma Fra and Shamano. Now I'm gonna find someone with the 2 jar and no, some are medium. Why I the FedFS said the bear, a year bepen asemo. Now so everyone say Debbie, we grandpa ama mami wachere sem why a matured person will be you'll be at an ajumu do when him day because ye share and then and saying them one share papa no saga year by year. She said your mabuni a so power one more a poor woman did also abontain a ye one who by fees to batan tired DAPA. Mami one ye bisa and it's a way and what they are by young someone who say papa. Where when any baby corner, or far a ma woman in them, or far a ma woman in Yansa, or far a ma one bit yatsna, a boy or my infinity, and my one was saying, say na a fata. Now, everyone's one is saying, I am one reply, and cannot and say she. Once also I will feel, once what didn't you from whom I saying. Now was say a mammy, I said, where the baby mamma for a JJ Rollins, never a munia. So a baby reply a comment no I say, and I say not a moon here. For I didn't channel it with too much GH your comment section. Like your videos now share over all the social media platforms as so. Meeting at the Equisica Padasane, Yamasanish.
Too much GH. We did that say Japan. A break PM Besame TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody debia. Madam I say love you.
Too much GH. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH. Me dey Isaiah Kodwampo. We betun afem the great tempo. Mbring. Won me kan mo ni hwe Too Much GH. Too much GH. Mo ye too much. Na me so me ye am on fire.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.